Hello Ashford, welcome to our snowy Monday and our PE lesson outdoors. So when you're doing your PE lesson today, just make sure you've got a safe space to work. I have cleared the snow around me and the ice, so I've got a nice anti-slip surface around me. You can do this indoors, just make sure wherever you're doing it, it's got enough space and you've got a nice grippy floor and you're not going to slip over. Alright, so today we're going to be working back on our coordination and we're going to recap some of the stuff we did in our first week of PE. And I've add a few more challenges in for you to have a go at. So I'll recap some of the ones you should hopefully know that you can practice, and I'll show you some extra ones you can have a go at today. So in here I have my bucket of goodies. So I have a few different things that I'm going to use today, or you can use. So I've got tennis balls, which will be quite useful for today's lesson if you want to use one of them, if you have one of these at home. You may have a beanbag at home. That's probably what I'm going to use for most of the lesson, but I might switch to a tennis ball. If you have none of those, you can either screw up a piece of paper. So this is just any normal piece of paper that I've screwed up, or again, like I had in week one, a bunch of socks. Okay, first activity. So if you remember, just to warm my hands up, we're going to do a bit of a routine. So just clap your hands above your head, switch the beanbag from one to the other. Okay, we're just going to do a quick warm up to get our hands and our eyes ready. Okay, put it around your body, so you swap at the back, swap at the front. Okay, so you see it goes round. Back and the front. Okay, just do it marching, one leg. A bit faster. Around the body. Hand above the head. Good. Okay, just a quick warm up. You can practice some of them again. You can go back to our lesson in week one, which was our coordination challenges, and just have a go at that as a warm-up if you want to, and recap that video, or you can just carry on with today's lesson. Okay, so just to recap the first one, whenever we're doing throwing and catching and coordination, we want to keep our eyes on our beanbag or our ball, okay, and we want to focus our head all the time, keeping our hands ready to catch. So we're going to go for the head height two-handed catch first. So head height, two hands. So hands are always ready, eyes will remain on the beanbag. Okay, just go about head height, maybe just above, depends how much room you've got. I remember with these, you want to try and make 10 catches in a row, okay? So don't move on to our next step until you've made 10. Okay, so have a practice, make 10 catches. When we've done that, come back to the video for stage 2. So pause the video, 10 catches, two-handed, go. Okay, hopefully you've done that. So now we're going to move on to the one-handed. So we've got a left hand and a right hand. So again, one hand, hands always ready, eyes on the beanbag, and I want you to make 10 catches in a row. Okay? And we need to do this with both hands. So eyes always on the beanbag, so my head follows the beanbag, hands ready. 10 on both hands, remember? So this is stage 2. We can't move on until these ones are done. Okay, pause the video. Make sure you get 10 done on both hands without dropping it, so 10 in a row, and then come back for stage 3. Okay, pause the video. Okay, well done. Stage 3, we're going to do Pinocchio's nose. So, over the nose and back, over the nose and back. Okay, so I've made this my stage 3 this time, so you can go from one hand to the other. And remember, you need to make 10 catches in a row. So, Pinocchio's nose. When you're ready, pause the video, try and make 10 in a row, and when you've done that, come back to stage 4. Okay, stage 4. So this time we're going to do how many claps can we do? So up in the air and catch. Okay. What I want you to do is make 10 successful catches. So it doesn't matter how many claps you do in between, but you must catch the beanbag. So keep your eyes on it, hands ready. Okay, see how many claps you can do, try and make 10 catches in a row, then come back for stage 5. Okay, stage 5, a bit more difficult for me because I can't really get back far enough because of the snow to show you the floor. But remember we did how low can you catch the floor? So throw the beanbag up and crouch down and try and catch it as low to the floor as you can. Okay, and try and make 10 catches in a row. Okay, that's your stage 5. Off you go. Okay, hopefully you've done all 5 of those challenges now, so we're going to move on and do a few different ones. So this time, difficult for you to see, but I'm going to show you by bringing my knee up at the front. We're going to do some catches on one leg and see if you can make 10 catches with 2 hands standing on one leg. Go. Make sure you do both legs, bring the other one up, and do 10 more catches. So one leg up, 10 catches in a row. Good. Okay, make sure you do both legs, 2-handed catches, pause the video, make sure you complete those, that's your stage 6. Okay, stage 7. So similar, leg comes up, we're going to do 1-handed catches. So bring your leg up, and one-handed, make sure you keep your eyes on the beanbag. See if you can make 10 catches without dropping. Make sure you do both legs. Ooh. So this is stage 7. Okay, pause the video, make sure you have a go at that one, and you get 10 catches on your left and 10 catches on your right. Okay, stage 8. So stage 8, we're going to do a quarter turn. So what I mean by quarter turn is I'm going to move this way. Quarter turn, 90 degrees. Okay, now that's too easy to just do that. So we're going to do a throw and a catch at the same time. Okay, throw, catch, throw, catch. And you have to do, okay, 10 of these. So facing the front, throw the beanbag up and turn. Throw it up and turn. Throw it up and turn. Make sure you try 10 in a row to move on to stage 9. Off you go, pause the video. Okay, well done. If you've done that, move on to stage 9. So we did a quarter turn. This time we do a half turn. Okay, so face the front and then we turn the opposite way, catch the beanbag. Again, make sure you've got a really grippy surface. There's no ice or snow around. Okay, so throw the beanbag up and turn. Throw the beanbag up and turn. Okay, and you want to do 10 of these in a row. Okay, so 10 half turns in a row with 10 successful catches. Off you go. Okay, stage 10. Now, for stage 10, I've got my bucket here. Okay, and for stage 10, what I want you to do, this is going to be your target, and all you're going to do is your target, you can pop it on the floor. So I'll put it there so you can see it, and you want to take 1, 2 steps away and just have a go at getting your object into your bucket. If you manage to do 2 steps, try doing it from 3 steps away. Okay, mine went over the top, so I'll practice 3 steps away again. See how many steps you can get away from your target and still get it in. Okay, well done Ashwood. That's our Monday coordination lesson. Make sure you come back tomorrow for our day 2. Stay safe in the snow, Ashwood.